Because a lot of university is actually you figuring it out yourself. So I found that a lot of the classes were just kind of a waste of time personally for me. And the projects, it would be the actual time when you would learn and you'd have to do those alone. So you'd have to learn how to Google and find everything out yourself. So really in a university, what I think you're paying for is the structure of the experience. So if you're not, I forgot the word in English, but if you're not
Diligent?
diligent, yes, if you're not diligent, I think going to university is a good way to like get a structure in place so you can kind of learn what methods of learning suit you best and also to make connections in the field whatever you're studying, just to explore yourself, to make friends. It's honestly just a way to explore yourself and see what you want to do in life. So I don't think it's really necessary. If you're diligent and hardworking, you can definitely learn outside of college. I'd learn game dev outside of my classes. You just need good projects on your portfolio.